Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope we are well by the Almighty Allah. Let's go to follow the topic narration of Father and Rina. The lessons you will learn here: number 1, narration on Father and Rina. Number 2, article gaps. Number 3, capitalization and punctuation marks. Part 1, narration on Father and Rina. Follow the whole passage narration in direct. Father said to Rina, "Do you know why I have sent you to school?" The daughter said, "Yes, I know. I have been sent to school to learn to read and write." "Right," father said. We read out the whole passage on Father and Rina in direct narration. We have to change it in indirect. Let's go to see the answer to experience well. Follow the answer. Father asked Rina if she knew why he had sent to school. The daughter replied in the affirmative and said that she knew it. She also added that she had been sent to school to learn to read and write. Father told Rina it was right. We read out on question and on answer. Again, I gave the scope to learn about the narration, direct narration, how it would be changed into indirect. Father said to Rina, "Do you know why I have sent you to school?" The daughter said, "Yes, I know. I have been sent to school to learn to read and write." "Right," father said. Follow the rules and regulation. Here, 3 rules are applied. If the reported speech in past indefinite tense and the reported speech present indefinite tense, we have to change it into past indefinite. And if we see reported speech is in past indefinite tense and the reported verb as per the first one, we have to change it as per the rules. Really, when we see the reported speech in past indefinite tense and if we see at the same time reporting verb present perfect tense, we have to change the present perfect tense into past perfect tense. That's the rules. Follow the answer as per the rules and regulation. Father asked Rina if she knew why he had sent to school. The daughter replied in the affirmative and said that she knew it. She also added that she had been sent to school to learn to read and write. Father told Rina it was right. Just as per the rules and regulation of direct into indirect, these sentences are changed. Part 2, article gaps. Now we will talk about article blanks or gaps. Read out the whole sentence or whole passage. Father asked Rina if she knew why he had sent to school. The daughter replied in the affirmative and said that she knew it. She also added that she had been sent to school to learn to read and write. Father told Rina it was right. Follow the blanks. There are 5 blanks. In the blanks we have to use article a and the or cross. According to the sentence meaning and rules and regulation, we have to apply this type of article. Let's go to see the answer at the first time. Follow the answer. First article cross, second article the, third article the, fourth article cross, fifth article cross. If we see no article is necessary, we have to use cross. When we see the subject or object or the word is so particular, we have to use the before the word. In this way, we have to insert the blanks with a and the or cross as article blanks. Again, I give the scope to fill up the blanks with article a and the or cross. Father asked Rina if she knew why he had sent to school. Dash daughter replied in dash affirmative and said that she knew it. She also dash added that she had been sent to school to learn to read and write. Father told Rina it was dash right. Hope you have experience from the first or starting point. Now it will be easy for you to fill up the blanks with a and the or cross. Match out the answers with you. Again, the answers are displayed to you because of your experience. Why and how the blanks are filled up, we have to experience on this type of expertise. Part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Step by step we are coming. Let's go to read out the whole passage before going to the question. Father said to Rina, "Do you know why I have sent you to school?" The daughter said, "Yes, I know. I have been sent to school to learn to read and write." Right, father said. Let's go to know the answer. Follow the answer. Father said to Rina, "Do you know why I have sent you to school?" The daughter said, "Yes, I know. I have been sent to school to learn to read and write." Right, father said. Father do school, yes, said. These 5 words are colored with yellow color. We have to find out the faults with capitalization or punctuation mark in these 5 words. Father do school, yes, said. Let's go to know the answer at the beginning time. Follow the answers. Father, F capital letter, do inverted comma, school interrogative sign, yes, Y capital letter, said plus full stop. Follow if a sentence is start, we have to use capital letter as the first letter word. Do here the inverted comma, it is the direct narration, so before do we have used inverted comma, school plus interrogative sign. Here it is the interrogative sentence, so we have used a question mark. Yes, Y capital letter, why not? It is the start point of a sentence. Said plus full stop. When we see any sentence is assertive at the end of this type of sentence, mainly assertive, we have to use full stop. Follow the questions again I show to you. Father do school, yes, said. Perhaps it may be so easy for you to fill up or to find out the faults of the sentence or words with capitalization and punctuation mark. Father do school, yes, said. Hope your answer is okay on your exercise note. Let's go again to combine or match these answers with you. The students who have among you written father F capital letter, do inverted comma, school interrogative sign or question mark, yes Y capital letter, Z plus full stop, those students have written in this way, yes, displaying to you on the question are right. Thank you very much. Wish your good luck to the Almighty Allah. Follow the video class from first to last and experience well.